hurt my feelings. Here I go again. We just keep on repeating.
I know you love pizza. I love pizza. I mean, who doesn't like pizza? What we don't like is wearing that pizza for a week. Well, I've got a solution for you. And I know you think you've heard about it before. Yes, it's cauliflower pizza crust. Making your own homemade pizza, but not all cauliflower pizza crusts are created equal. Very few brands of cauliflower pizza crust come with 4 ingredients, and 4 ingredients only. You got mozzarella cheese, egg, seasoning, but it's only 4 ingredients. The pizza crust is this bread. That's all it is. So you might as well just go ahead and eat regular bread if you're gonna do that. The bread is what gets you in trouble. Check this out. When you unbox your order, you're gonna find some really cool things. One of the first things you'll find when you open the box are going to be a bunch of information about Cali'flour Foods as a company, what they have to offer, and important information about their products. But this is really cool. This is a pizza sheet custom made to fit the crust. And then, of course, you have the actual crust. Now, I ordered the 10-pack of assorted crust, so I have a bunch of different flavors in this order. Making pizza at home has never been easier. You just put the pizza crust in the oven, bake them for 10 minutes, flip them, bake them for another 10, and then get your toppings ready. Now, I use a pesto topping as opposed to a tomato base, but you can use what you want. That's the magic of making homemade pizzas. I also use herbs because herbs make those flavors pop. Baby, when I tell you these pizzas are good, and what makes them even better is you don't even have to feel guilty because they have a cauliflower crust.